Are you a person who struggles with tough stains on your cloth? Don't worry, the LLOYD's Novante IoT washing machine can remove 120 different types of stains. This machine is not about just cleaning stains. It's also super smart. And this washing machine is IoT enabled machine. So you could control from anywhere using your phone. The Wash Genie feature will suggest a perfect wash program based on your fabric. This will be useful for elders or anyone who is not sure which setting should be selected. The beauty is it even works with Alexa and Google Assistant. Just say the word, the machine will do it for you. And the best part, with the laundry tracker, you can see in real time which cycle is running and how much time is left. Plus, the wash program library lets you download new wash modes whenever they are released, even after the purchase. And also the machine can be upgraded its performance over the period of time. Now let's talk about the power and efficiency. This machine comes with Intelli Inverter Motor. That means it runs in low noise, gives better performance and saves your energy up to 30%. When it comes to washing, this machine uses 8 HI wave technology, 8 different motions that adjust based on your fabric, gives you the right wash on every type of clothes. And the combination of 5D Ultra Wash, you will get the deepest clean. The dual flow lint filter is larger than the competition, so it traps the lint, preventing from sticking to your clothes. The double jet spray uses less water but cleans more efficiently. The hexadrum designs gently scrubs cloths from all sides, and the dual pulsator gives better scrubbing for the all stubborn dirt. For a really tough stains and hygienic cleaning, it has a built-in heater with both hot and steam options. This is rare in top-load washing machines and even in the front-load too. The heat not only removes the germs but also helps to clear 120 type of stains even if it is 4 days old, which the regular wash can't do it. If you are in a hurry, no problem, the Insta Wash feature will help you. This feature cut down your wash time by 50% without reducing the cleaning quality, which is fast and powerful. The machine also takes care of itself. It has 12 eye sense technology. The main unique part, it senses your water pressure and works even when the pressure is near zero. So if you have a weak water supply, you need not to worry about this. It also has motor protection sensing. If you run the machine multiple times in a day and the motor heats up, this feature automatically protects the motor from damage, keeping it safe and long lasting. And for every 50 washes, it gives a top cleaning alert for you to remind you to clean the drum, which keeps your machine longer and healthy. And finally, all these features are controlled through a user-friendly control panel, which is simple, clear, and easy for anyone in the family to use. And this Novante is available in 8 kg, 8.5 kg and 9.5 kgs. You could choose based upon your requirement. And to support after sales, LLOYD has provided warranty for 12 years on motor and 3 years on comprehensive warranty. And for the festival, LLOYD is offering 4 years of comprehensive warranty for your product. So whether it's your daily laundry or 4-day-old stains, the LLOYD Novante washing machine makes your washing smarter, faster and more powerful. Combining all these features makes this machine a perfect choice for your home. Novante uses